Okay, here's the real deal on the Delta cartridge removal. So, the problem with my shower is that it's completely noisy. It's got this really crazy humming noise, and they say that the cartridge replacement is what's going to fix that. And you can kind of isolate the noise if you put your ear down in here. You can really hear it buzzing. So, what they say to do is to take this collar off, and you can use a strap tool, or if you have a pair of channel locks or something like that, and you can see it's not as easy as the guy makes it out to look like in the Delta video, because all he does is he takes this off and just grabs this with his hand and pops it out. So I wanted to show you the easy way, the discovery that I had found, because what I did is I took this ring off. Oops, let's leave that there. I take the collar ring off. I had already done this, and the problem I had was that I was pulling here. You can see right in this area I kind of chewed it up with a screwdriver. I was trying to pull, and it just wasn't pulling off, and I didn't want to damage the plumbing installation of the housing or anything. So what I ended up doing is I read some of the comments on the Delta video, and somebody had said that this cartridge comes apart, and it actually does. If you turn this sideways, you can see that there's notches, and it pops out the rear of the cartridge. Here's a new one. Pops the rear of the cartridge off of the front of the cartridge. So if you take the rear of the cartridge apart from the front, then what you can do is you can get two screwdrivers. Grab two screwdrivers, put one up here on the top, one down here on the bottom, and you can see out in there that you can get a lot more leverage. Put one on the top, one on the bottom, and then just pry this guy out. Done. All right, so good luck. Happy homemaking.